Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we will try to know what is the update regarding the counseling process. As per the last notification, the FORDA had withdrawn their protest as on 9th of December, considering the healthcare and the assurance from Ministry, Health and Family Welfare, and they had given a time of 16th of December. In case by 16th of December no concrete measure taken by Ministry or Government of India to fasten the court hearing and expedition of NEET PG counseling, in that case they had given a warning that the complete service including daily routine service and emergencies will be withdrawn from all over the India at pan level. So in the same regard, they have written a letter to Honorable Union Health Minister, okay, as on 2 days, yesterday, and they had just reminded in case because so far from 9th there are like 3-4 days already passed and no concrete measure taken. We don't have even their government advocates approaching Supreme Court to take a early date, and we know that from the next week onwards Supreme Court will be on leave. Okay, so it's very urgent that they should take early hearing date and no concrete measure, and there is no progress noticed so far, and doctors are frustrated. They have stopped the protest, keeping the healthcare system should be having sufficient doctors in mind, but there's just assurance and verbal assurance from Ministry. So they have just reminded, FODA has just reminded the Government of India that 16 is the last date, and in case there is no concrete measure taken and there is no hope for the counseling process to get expedited, then they will go on withdrawal from all the services in healthcare institution, whether it's routine daily services, OPD or emergency services, all over India at pan India level. So that will definitely impact, and the owners of that unfortunate situation affecting the healthcare system will be on the concerned authorities. So it's very unfortunate situation happening in the country. One side we see the number of cases due to new variant of coronavirus getting increased, and the counseling process without any concrete reason getting delayed, and government had just talked verbally that they will try to de-link the reservation issue from the counseling process for 2021, but something which should be written or concrete or taking it further to Supreme Court, so that any written letter or schedule should be published for the counseling process to proceed. That thing is not happening, and it's very frustrating for the doctors and the junior doctors or the NEET PG 2021 candidates, and it's not good for the country at all. Both UG and PG exam got delayed, and now from last 2 months PG counseling is on hold without any concrete reason. It's just kind of like adamant behavior of the government that they want due for some kind of benefit for their own. They want the reservation system to get implemented from this year, but there are so many ifs and buts in the reservation policy to get implemented from this year, and there are so many dependencies, their case running. So definitely I am not blaming Supreme Court also only, because they will have their own timelines. They have other matters also to get it prioritized, and so this judicial system will take time. So why not dealing with the issue? And after assurance also, we have not seen in last few days any progress in the matter. That's why the FODA had to write an email message or letter to Honorable Union Minister, just to give a kind of like reminder or warning, which will be getting how the healthcare system will get impacted if no concrete measure taken by 16th of December. So 16th of December is the last date. We have been waiting, and is so much of delay after giving so many dates. Okay, so let's see what happens. We have date up to 16th, and hope that something good should happen, so that the doctors do not need to go for protest once again, because that's not good for anyone. Okay, so with this I'm concluding this video. We will keep you updating with any such update regarding counseling process and all, if we get any notice for anything, any state or anything. So thanks for watching and have a great day.